Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to ConvertKit. So to connect Etsy to ConvertKit, now called Kit, you will need to use an automation tool because Etsy does not offer direct built-in integration. So the most common method are Zapier or Make. So in that video we are going to go with Zapier, okay? So we'll use Zapier to connect Etsy with Kit. So at first you will need to go to Zapier.com and then just log in with your account and then just create a new zap from here, okay? So just click on zap. And then all you need to do is to describe your workflow to the AI or just go and do it manually. So if you want to go manually, just go with the trigger right here, click it, and then set Etsy as a trigger. So let's go with Etsy on the search bar. So guys, I forgot to mention that you will need to get a plan first so you can link too many apps or websites, even AIs. So for me on the free plan, I can't see it right here. So for you, if you subscribe, you will have it. So just choose it as a trigger and then go to the action right here. Okay, click it and then go with Kit. So there you go, that's the option. Just click it, and after that all you need to do is to choose the action event. So you can go with add subscriber to form, add a subscriber to sequence, etc. Okay, also you'll need to sign in with your account from here. So just go with sign in and enter your login credentials that you used on the Kit. Then once you finish, just go ahead and go with test run and then go with publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.